guys, this is Bay with the X3839 and today I'll be doing a review of Burn Phoenix Blizzard 105 flat. So yeah, let's start off with the face. They're totally clear except for except for a blue icy phoenix picture on the front. Very nice face. I think it's my favorite face. There's no stickers. Yep. Next, moving on to the clear wheel. It's different from the normal Burn Phoenix clear wheel because the normal one has black stickers all around it, but that's flame. This is ice. So yeah, very nice clear wheel. And the burn wheel, takara tomy mode. Very nice. Says burn wheel on the side here. Icy blue color. Very good stamina type, as it has weight focus on the side. And 105 track, quite common for attack type. Yep. And the flat, my first flat. Yep, very nice. So let's put this together. All blue. Wiki. Ooh. Very nice. Very cool. Cool. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe and like. Thank you.